way to Iron Canyon family camping this time. This is the first time for Leo and Nine. Yeah, so we're gonna be here for the next 3-4 days.
Let's me go look at the fishing spot.
Here's the lake. Yeah, water's very high. So canoes and the canopy over there. Let's see. Oh, and they have a fishing contest.
He's still on it. Look at him. Oh, fish on, baby. Woo!
À, được vậy luôn.
Được là. Well, this one's big, Todd.
He's right here, baby.
Hey, hey, here's the official weigh in right here, bro. First fish.
Hey, we gotta collect our money. That's small, dude.
This thing's small. That's a nice size. What you say?
That's a good-looking trout.
All right, here we go. Here's the first official weigh in.
0 ounce.
No.
0.38.
0.38. It's on. Let me see a fish. Oh, that's it. That might be a little bit bigger.
Look, this is what I cut it off.
Nice. Titus got one out there. So this is the third fish. Leo, you said yours was smaller than mine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's not wood. Okay, let's see. How heavy is this guy? Oh yeah, you took.
Oh yeah, almost a pound.
0.94. Yeah,
That's a big
0.94.
difference. I shouldn't weigh mine at all.
What was that of Nightcrawler or?
Yeah, you might get it.
Let's see. 0.94. Okay, Titus, you know.
Oh, okay.
0.78.
Oh, 0.7. Okay.
I'm trying to win.
I'm here to donate. I'm here to donate for the cause and 180. And be a
It's
part of
180
the
now.
competition.
Hey, yeah, honestly, they all kind of like afraid of you a little bit. So,
Yeah.
You know.
Well, you know, we think about it. It could be anybody.
Yeah, that's what
anybody
I'm saying.
catching
It
it,
could be
right?
anyone.
So that's why.
All you need is just that one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
what I'm saying.
That's why I'm not
worried
about
fishing right now. One fish.
I'm gonna catch that one fish tomorrow. Yeah, exactly. That
Fish that was caught today. Was making it for us. I'm gonna see if I can sleep well tonight.
you guys got more up there.
Now we moved on to pork belly.
This is actually the fish. Really good.
I was trying to break it up, but it won't break.
The whole piece. Just take the whole flap.
No, oh, dang, okay.
Lấy tu. Oh, that's a pretty good size. Oh, doggone it. 1.08. He upped it. Right there. 1.08. This is Titus.
Pretty one.
Here, let's weigh that sucker.
So those are rainbow. This is a brook,
Yeah.
a brown trout. What do you want?
Oh, here, let's hook it up and see.
Let's see.
Here we go.
Oh damn, it's not even a pound yet. Still.
0.82.
Yeah,
Here.
right here.
I guess we're all moving over here, Chijie.
Yep.
Hook it up.
I gotta get me another electric scale, fish scale.
What is it?
1.07.
Oh.
Ooh, my fish
Oh
is
shit.
on.
Wait. Oh yeah. Yeah. Tired to get this off?
We got a thing to put it on?
Yeah, in the bucket there. Oh yeah, there you go. Man. This we came here right in time. A lot of weed, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm afraid this one's small.
Still good.
You can kind of tell.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a small. That's a. I don't think we need to measure that one, should you?
It's okay. It's a nice one.
First one. Yeah, that's a little small, yeah. I don't know if you want to go over there, Titus. No, mẹ tao là đấy. No, give it some slack. Oh, there you go. You got it? Oh!
Don't yank it.
Mình nhẹ nhàng. No, no.
Don't. Just keep the reel.
Yeah, you don't have to set anymore. Just keep the tension on. Should you again too? Yeah, that's not that big anyway. She got excited. Like Daniel said, hard excitement. That's actually pretty decent. Fisherman, are you, bro? Huh? I didn't really want to help, but you know. I think so. Well, give it some slack, and then let's see if it runs. Like, give it some slack, go a little bit like that. You see it? Okay, you can tell. Is it running? There you go, baby. Yeah. There you go, Matthew. You get disappointed. You feeling some weight? No, it looks a little bigger. Oh yeah. 1.14, Chiji, that's all you gotta do. No? You still safe, Leo?
This one is a little bit bigger than what I've been catching though. I gotta say this one is bigger.
Yeah, Leo.
Hey, no.
Oh, Leo.
I gotta say this one
It's
is
close,
bigger.
Leo. Leo, I think Chiji got it, man.
Hey, you better bring up the
Yeah,
your
scale.
scale.
No, Leo, that one did it. I could tell, but that's the dom you hear when you were out don't know hold
You feel kind of a little hefty dragging him in.
Yeah.
Hey, I think this is it. You hit Quintilla.
Until somebody take over, huh?
Oh.
Let's see.
What is it?
Yeah, beat it, Leo.
Yeah.
Moment of truth, Leo.
117?
You beat it by 0.03. You said 114, right, Leo? Hey, you take the lead now.
I can take a breath now.
1.17. Chijia just take the lead.
That's some dirt on there.
Should I rinse the 0.03 out? But this is bigger though. I thought it was pretty close. All right, Chijia, take the lead.
Oh my
Yeah,
that's 117?
yeah, 1.17.
All right.
The digital scale, it makes a difference, you know,
yeah.
0.03. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, tầm nợ chia chia. Chia chia, I don't know, bro. You gotta wake up again, I think.
Yeah, that wasn't it. That was it.
I don't know. 1.17, right?
Yeah.
Hey, 1.28, bro. Yes. Time to relax. My turn to sleep, Chijia.
Time to switch bait.
I was like, oh, somebody's getting a bite there. Oh, yeah, he's running. Go ahead.
Set it.
Oh, is that your hardest? That doesn't look that much different from mom. I'm just saying. Huh, Titus?
Yeah.
Your hardest doesn't look that much harder than mom.
You have to set it real hard.
Yeah. I just see her went, ugh. We'll do it quickly. And then we'll let it go.
Pulling that thing in.
Oh yeah, that's a little.
Let's keep it in the water.
We'll just keep it in the water?
Maybe we don't need it.
That's a pretty good size when you say too small.
Okay, that's yours.
Are you sure it's not my pole?
That thing's kind of big. Louis, leave it.
You want to weigh it? Oh yeah, that is kind of big.
Oh shit.
Oh wow, that's pretty big.
Man, I wish
That is.
Dang, that one looks pretty.
Hey,
go wait.
I have a feeling I'm still safe though. Let's go weigh it real quick.
Louis, let's go see.
Come on, stay. Louis, here. Damn. Go back to your dad.
But did you really catch it though?
That's what I'm saying. Should be.
Dude, that's a beautiful trout.
Titus, you were just saying that too, cause you say, oh my fish, there might be a fish on my pole already. Let's see. I'm getting a little nervous. Okay, hold on to him. Oh yeah, this is pretty fat though. Oh man.
Damn.
Oh, yeah, moment of truth, bro.
That thing.
I better take this night crawler out
Oh,
because
yeah.
I don't need the extra.
Right, take it all out.
Get that extra weight off of that fish. I thought I was gonna get to relax.
Man, for real. You gonna sleep in tomorrow?
Let's see here. Let's see where you at.
What was yours?
1.28.
Oh, damn. By 2.
Oh!
1.02.
No, I got 2H. He got 3O.
Damn. Damn, bro.
Damn you, Matthew.
Shit.
Good job though, bro.
Yeah,
Now I can relax.
Fill it up. What time did Lil get up? 8 o'clock? He said early. He said he's gonna get up early in the morning to go fishing at 8 o'clock.
We're still going. Let's
I
go.
thought you were gonna wake up.
That was tight as
What
shit,
time was
bro.
that?
I had an alarm and I got up and I'm still in and I fell asleep, bro.
5:45. She got her mama instinct.
It's day 2. Lunches. They're starting to get ready for lunch.
Probably the weight from when the snow comes down on it. Yeah, that too. Yeah. But like, it's not gonna just grow straight out.
I don't know what food this one.
No, probably not. Okay.
Oh, you know what? Because my shoe's not tight.
Oh, yeah, you might have to.
This shit looks spicy.
Oh, Lil's it's opening.
Yeah, that look good. Mm.
It's okay. There's nobody here, so let her just bark his own. He's on second. at all those fishing poles. So far right now, Matthew's in the lead.
He just went in for the toy. He went for the toy and dipped.
What does the Japanese barbecue sauce taste like? Does it taste different, more tangy?
No, taste it. It's kind of a little sweet for me.
Julie, you're losing it. Take off the bobber.
Okay.
And then you gotta set it. It's already on.
Well, what do you do?
There you go.
I do.
Uh-huh. Yeah, now reel it in.
I'm sure I did it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I feel something.
Oh, is he fighting a little bit?
No, not really.
Oh.
Hold on, you.
Honey, give me the red stick right there by my tackle box.
It feels small. Oh, I see it. It looks small.
Oh, it's not that big.
Look, it's so tiny.
Just keep it up high.
Bring it over here, Julie. Okay, keep reeling in. Yeah. Yeah.
Does it look tiny?
No, he's pretty good size.
Really?
Yeah.
So small.
Well, look, Julie. Is that small?
It didn't even fight.
This is not a small fish. This is actually a pretty good size fish.
Are you gagged?
Oh, Julie, put it down. Take off the bobber. You got it?
I don't know. I think so.
The way Julie said that, it was kind of funny.
I didn't see it. Oh, he jumped out of the water?
This one's heavier, I think.
Oh, then that's bigger one. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow, this actually feels like a fishing game. You
Does
play
it?
arcade. Yeah.
Oh, what on ya?
No, it's so small.
Oh,
But he fight more.
he put up more of a fight.
Yeah, but he's
Let's see. Yeah, this one's a little bit smaller, but
he put up more fight. Something.
Don't just skip a rock, Julie. It's in the water.
You're right. I missed that.
he's
I
gone.
didn't do that part yet.
Back to
Do
back.
that tomorrow. You gotta leave something for tomorrow. You didn't do
It's a late night. Late night. It's not even a snack anymore. It's a late night meal. Eating leftover. I'm saying this is not a midnight snack anymore. It's not even a late night snack. It's a meal. After the s'mores, yeah.
After the s'mores, after the chips.
Oh, after the s'mores and chips, back to another.
Damn near this hot link is about to go crazy.
Those hot links, yeah.
Good one? Oh. Oh, I see it. Man, the water's so clear, you can see it. Huh? You might get a fish on the other one too? See, those are pretty good size too, you know? Oh yeah, look at that. Nó giống cái hình của nó nhỉ nó. Yeah, he's taking them. Did he?
Remember over time when we were camp, youth camp?
Mm-hmm. That's not too small. Those are pretty good.
Yeah. But the trout we're catching over there, they
Mhm.
were just like this. Remember?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Less than pine, huh?
Less than pine. Oh.
Yeah.
Third day here. And the kids are making hot dog today. They're trying to make lunch.
Oh. Yeah. Damn, that is a lot of dogs. Are we gonna do all of them?
Your family and I, we could turn anything into a competition.
I know. Time's going yet?
I'm gonna get a running start, you feel me? Oh, Ty's way back there. Sorry.
What
You
happened?
got a running start. Oh, that's trash.
Hey, running start going off. It come from your mouth. It's not like you're going to down there.
I found 2 pieces of food.
Julie, you don't get serious though, man, before you're long.
Damn!
You
guys see that?
No.
That hit the tree.
Hey, Titus distracted her.
Oh, we about to go. Hey, get him. Oh, she's smashing me, man. Oh, man, her paws on me. Had to beat you up, yeah.
Dang,
Don't play with my daddy alone when she went like that.
Here.
Here you go. You go. Oh, I caught a Leo. Look, he's gone. Yep. Congrats, Matthew. So here's first place, yeah?
Thank you.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Hey, how big was the fish? How much you won?
It was 1.3 pounds.
1.30, bro.
1.30.
How much is it?
It was 100, 20, 40, 60, 80,
For first place.
$180.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you.
Anyway, that's it.
Late night snack.
Hey, just one. I don't know if I finished it.
Let's try some stuff.
Here's the person that's making it.